Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we are going to be learning how to change email address in Aramex. To change your login email on Aramex application, the first thing to do is to open the app and then log into your existing account. After you are inside the main homepage, tap on My Account at the bottom right corner. From the My Account interface, tap on Email Address. Enter your password and you will then be taken to this page where you can see the new email address option. Simply enter the new email you'd like to update to and tap on Change Email Address. You will now need to wait for a verification link you'll receive via email on the new email inbox. Now simply open up your email inbox and then you will be able to see a link where you'll need to press on and you will be able to update your email address right away. So that's how you will be able to change your email in Aramex. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.